Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you something strategic. Watch this video to the end because I'm showing you how I made this $268 and it's still counting. It's still counting. Now, this is the combination of market structure and also our trend line, and I'll be teaching you how you can use it in order for you to make even more than this profit. Now let's move on to what we're having. Before then, let me show you our start. But this is a live trade. I gave this in our trading platform. If you want to be part of the trading part of our platform, you can actually request and you will join. Now look at it. This is when I gave the sell and I enter many positions. You can see that I enter many positions from here, and then here comes everything. You see it. Here comes the sell, and it's still going to sell. And in the money it was $347 before it retraces back. Now, what was my motivation to take this trade? Now guys, I'm going to teach you how to combine the two um structure, which is the market structure and also the trend line. Now this is my very trend line here. This is my very trend line. Now when I drew this trend line yesterday, I expected price to actually sell because it was actually a bearish movement. You understand? That's the market structure. Now the market structure is very simple. For you to understand market structure, when price begin to make higher lows, it means that it is actually buying. When it's making lower lows, lower highs, is what is selling. Now look at it quickly. I don't want to bore you too much. Now this is not the issue of any indicator. This is just you understanding market structure and trend line. Now look at it. From up here we fell down and we went up, and the up did not reach this particular place, which is the previous high. It did not reach the previous high. It reached here, and then what we sold. If you look at it, the selling past the low of the previous low. It passed the previous low, which means that we're actually selling. There is more pressure going down than going up. So now we went up again, but we do not reach this previous high, meaning that we do not have sufficient energy, sufficient momentum for us to break above it. So it reached this particular level, and then we sold down. If you look at it, it was a little bit below the previous low, which was this one. This very low. It was lower than the previous low, and then look at what happened. There was actually what a an up movement again, and then we sold beyond this one. You get it? We sold beyond this particular one. Now look at what happened there. Let's move on. Look at what happened then. Look at them. What happened? Look at them. What happened? It sold down to this point, and then what went up, but could not reach the previous up here, the previous top here. You see it. It could not reach the previous top, and then it began to what? It began to sell. You see it, and it has broken below the area of support of the previous day. Now you see it at this place. It means that we'll still continue selling again. Now it might go up to this point and then continue like this. Now that is market structure. But for you to get a good entry, you need to draw your trend line, because it is trend line that help us to get the entry at this place. How do I do? You touch. Now let me show you how to draw the trend line, because trend line must touch at least 2 or 3 area of support or resistance to make it a trend line. Now look at this particular place. This is one place, this is one place, this is another place, and then this is another. That's 4 and this thing lines that it has touched to validate that this is actually a valid one. Now so quickly look at what will happen. what will happen now? If, okay, let me touch this. Let me leave it like this now. So we expect this, if it is going to buy, it will buy and touch an area. It will touch an area and then start coming down like this. So if you want to draw your trend line, how will you do now? Look at it. You touch and then get the gun line. I love using the gun line. Gun line. Now this is the gun line. So you draw it like this. This is it, yeah. This is it. So this is it. So it might not even reach the previous one. Where is the line? Gun line. This should be it. Yes, this should be it. So we should expect something like this. At least I touched two already there. So if it's going to do anything, we should expect it to go up like this and then begin to come down. So we are still going to be on this trade, selling it downward. So guys, this is just how to analyze market using market structure and also trend line analysis. See you in the next video. I'll be doing a very powerful video today. Don't miss it for anything. If you find this video helpful, you can smash the like button and also subscribe to this channel so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video such as this. I'll be showing us how to combine indicators the right way. How to combine indicators the right way, because most of us trade with indicators but don't know how to combine indicators. Now I'll be showing you, teaching you step by step way, and the reason why you should combine such indicators, and it will help you to blow your mind. It will blow your mind. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel for more information.